Okay, hi guys, bear with us. Rohit is going to talk about something very serious, very important, and let's deal with that first, and after that let's continue the vlog.
Hello guys, hope everyone's doing great. The topic actually which we are just going to start off with is the safety of all the people of our country. So all of you are aware of what the situation is happening, and I hope all of you are safe and sound at your place, staying indoors all the time. But for those few people who are stuck outside India, Air India and the Government of India has started a mission to bring back all our country fellow folks back into their hometowns. So the multiple flights which are being flown from across the world back to multiple cities in India to bring back the citizens. It is called Vande Bharat Mission, and again, it's going to be done from multiple cities across the world to multiple cities in India. So I'll put a link to all the flight schedules which are going to happen from the 7th of May. I think it is till the 15th of May. Just go and press the link below, share it with your loved ones, make sure people who want to come back to India get on these flights. There'll be a rigorous again testing and all which goes before they are allowed into the flights. All those things can be gone through the Air India website, but the schedule of the flights will be in the description below.
Do you know the phrase "Pichi dobutundi"? Currently, we are facing that.
Lockdown is partially opened.
We are in a barren land. This is not our land. This is our
community.
Yeah, it's in our community. Someone's trying to build, but because of the lockdown and all, they stopped the construction.
Okay, this is a park. Supposed to be a park.
I don't know.
Vivek?
So there are few
Amazing vehicles here.
retro, not even retro. क्या बोल सकते हैं? Legends. Sure, these cars are older than me. One is Fiat Uno, Fiat Padmini, and Tata Sierra.
How about we review these guys?
Review? Okay. There's nothing in them to review. Everything is stripped down. Everything is stripped down. Even the cassette player, if there was a cassette player, even the gear lever is gone.
You know, these are called barn finds.
This is not a
Imagine the value of these now.
Nothing,
10
zero.
rupees. Sheet metal.
Oh, इसका तो डिक्की उखड़ गया.
Engine है.
इसका steering wheel गया, डिक्की गया. What is that lever?
That is the gear rod.
There?
Yeah, it'll be to the side. It'll be to the side like that.
Oh. Okay.
There's no floor.
It's super old, dude. I mean,
Yeah, this is in a little better condition. And
is this a Maruti 800 competition car?
no, slightly more expensive. This was, I think, slightly more expensive than the first gen Santro. What do
Okay.
you think the value of these rust buckets would be?
The Uno might be 20 rupees. Padmini is 2 rupees. And Sierra
10 rupees.
10 rupees.
10 rupees.
Sort of, it's been more than a week we started our bikes. So we'll just start them off. Let the engine beat a bit. And you guys can listen to the exhaust note. Sounds good?
Sounds good. Small and easy.
And the lineup. Let's start off with the most expensive thing. Bergman 125. Carbureted. Second most expensive, Triumph Bonneville T120. Third expensive, Triumph Truxton R 1200. Third most expensive. Fourth most expensive, Honda Africa Twin CRF 1000L. And
అదేదో టీచర్ కి లెక్చర్ చెప్పినట్టు ఫస్ట్ మోస్ట్ ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్ థింగ్, సెకండ్ మోస్ట్ ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్ థింగ్, థర్డ్ మోస్ట్ ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్ థింగ్ ఏంద్రా?
okay, ఫిఫ్త్ అని చెప్పాను.
చెప్పు.
ప్లాస్టిక్ డబ్బా.
Oh my god, Srujan is jealous of this bike. Now I understood.
Plastic dabba.
I know, Srujan is jealous and you're going to strap your shit.
Oh shit. Okay, let's start the vehicles.
Dude, our bikes are like dirty. Look at that. What's that? How? Rain, yeah. Rain, water.
Shiva.
Sorry bro.
గాలి మధ్యనా.
We washed it bro once.
ఇట్టకు ఎల్లుండి స్నానం చేపిస్తాం. We need Bergman's exhaust note. Starting off with Bergman. Carburetor है ना थोड़ा.
Dug.
I cannot rev it, dude.
If you rev it, you'll go.
I can rev it. Get closer, just go. Burnouts.
ఒరే సగం లోపల పోయిందిరా అది. So as the bike gets warmed up, Srujan wants to tell you some love talk.
So we are actually turning on the bike after a week. So it's always advisable to let the bike idle for a minute. People say 10 seconds is more than enough because these are F5 engines, fuel injection engines. But I'll say it'll be enough to let the bike idle for a minute, and after that give a small rev and you're good to go. The engine will stay, the battery will be good.
Again, 5 minutes or so, which is advisable.
5 minutes,
but again, we're not riding the bike at all, right?
Yeah, 1 minute.
And after the engine can get all the oils. Make sure the oils go around. That will be about 35 to 40 seconds or more than that. But just let it idle. Let the engine get a little heated up. So we'll do that one by one, so that we waste time, and we get the audio tracks of all the vehicles as well.
నల్లగా అయిపోయిన ఒక సెకండ్ మొత్తం పొల్యూషన్ అయిపోయింది మొహం అంతా. మా
దయ్యం.
हट कैमरा बाद में.
अरे कैमरा फर्स्ट.
हाँ, I'm going on man.
Okay guys, which one was your favorite among our lineup here? అరే ఇంకేం వస్తుందిరా వీడియోలు నా బొందా. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ కెమెరా లేదంటే సర్లే వీడిని చూడండి.
లేదు, I'm not going to do anything.
My turn. ఇప్పుడు ఏమేమి ఆఫ్ చేస్తాం?
Just could not resist. I'm sorry I done all the stupid stuff without any riding gear, but I just could not resist. Okay, wait. Did you turn stuff off?
It is off ఉంది and ఇది కూడా ఆన్ ఉంది.
Oh wow, it remembered everything. Rohit's turn. No, he's not able to resist. Looking at him. Oi! కొట్టిది అక్కడ వరకు కొట్టిదిరా షేట్. To be honest, today's vlog we actually wanted to tell about our gear and what all gears there are available in the market, but because this what Rohit said was much more important, so we postponed that vlog and we're going to do that in the next vlog. And for sure we're going to explain about the gears, and we will also do few challenges in that vlog as well. Sounds good?
Sounds amazing. Till the next time, love you all. Peace. Bye. My hands are stinky. Stupid bike stinks.
Get down. Get down. Get down. And, I cannot say this in any other language except Telugu. Africa Twin off-road king అని అంటాం కదా, ఇందుకోసమే జుజుబి ఇదంతా దీనికి బేవర్స్ ఊపు ఊపేస్తుంది. సో అందుకే దానిపైన చేసాము, నాట్ ఆన్ ఎనీ అదర్ బైక్.